Welcome. In this video, you'll learn how to share your WhatsApp community invite link step by step. Whether you've just created a new community or you simply want to invite more members, this quick guide will show you exactly how to do it using the latest version of WhatsApp. Let's get started. First, open the WhatsApp app on your phone. Make sure you're using the updated version so the features we cover here match what you see on your screen. Once you're in the app, look at the bottom of your screen and tap on the tab labeled Communities. This is where all your community groups are organized in one place. Next, select the community that you want to share an invite link for. Once you open it, look at the top right corner of the screen and tap on the three dots icon. From the menu that appears, select Community Info. This section shows everything about your community, such as its description, linked groups, and the options for managing members. Now, scroll down slightly and tap Invite. This will open up a few different ways to invite people. From those options, choose Share Link. WhatsApp will then generate a direct invite link for your community that anyone with access to it can use to join. Once the link appears, you can decide how you want to share it. You can copy the link and paste it anywhere or choose from the available apps and platforms directly, like sending it through a message, an email, or posting it on social media. After you pick your preferred method, send or share it, and that's it. Anyone who receives the link can tap on it and join your WhatsApp community instantly. This method makes it easy to grow your community and connect with more people without adding them manually. And that's how you share a WhatsApp community invite link. If this walkthrough helped you, give this video a like and subscribe for more updated WhatsApp tips and tutorials.